Hey guys, Josh here at TCSS. Wanted to give you guys a quick look at the Shadowstalker with an unboxing and go over some details of the hilt. So this is a TCSS and sloth furnace design. He did some awesome work putting this together, and we just love the design overall here. When you open the box, you're going to be greeted with a conceptual art print signed by Sloth Furnace himself. Underneath this foam, it's really simple laid out. You have your standard 3.7 charger and a little bag with some tools and a resource card. In the center, you have the hilt. Each hilt will include a 7/8 blade plug. This is a pixel blade compatible setup. It's powered by the GHV3, and we have it set up for single switch operation. Your recharge port is going to be hidden under this brass slide bubble card. With each Shadowstalker that's shipped, there's also an included premium font with the upside down from Repulse Collectibles. And it has a 20mm speaker in the bottom. It also has a 18650 battery installed. And that's pretty much it. As previously mentioned, there's less than 70 of these hilts that are going to be available. Retail price on it is going to be $475 fully installed and ready to ship.